This time, let us welcome Christine Joyce M. de Guzman for her special message. President Dr. Noemi Villanueva, our Vice President Dr. Josepina Magno, our Principal Mrs. Magnolia Sugay, beloved teachers, parents, classmates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. Finally, we are here to celebrate our Moving Up Day. We would like to share this moment with our teachers and family. Thank you to our outstanding teachers for their patience in molding our young minds. Thank you, my dear schoolmates and classmates, for the friendship we have as we play and learn in our dear school. Thank you to my loving daddy and mommy for taking good care of me. Thank you for guiding me in my studies. I love you. Lastly, thank you, God, for all the blessings you have given me. Thank you, everybody.